Hello guys, I hope that in this moment you are okay. And today, in this video, we are going to explain something about the past simple. We already know about that in present simple, that is just in this time, in this moment. We have something like a routine, something in general that you have here. Yes, but in the past simple, he's not in the present, it's in the past. So there are different things that we explain or we say, um, or we said yesterday or last week or last year. Yes, something in the past, something easy, a little bit easier. It's going to be about the our structure. It's going to be the subject that the plus the verb plus the complement. Remember, in the subject we have the first person that is going to be I, the second person that is going to be you, we, and they. That's you, or they, or we. And the third person is going to be he, is for men, she for women, and it for objects or something that is they are not person. There is no person. Yep, good. Something important to say. If we already know the, or if we already knew about the auxiliary verb in the present simple, it's going to be do for first person and second person. For example, I do the exam. You do the test. In the third person, we use does for the conjugation. Remember? She does. She does exercise. Yes, or he does the exam. But in the past, the both or the three of the people here, we use did. I did the test in the past. She did the test in the past. He did the test yesterday. They did the test last week. Yes, it's in past for all of them. But we have to continue here. I'm going to explain regular and irregular verbs, but before going this, I'm going to explain this. In an affirmative sentence, we use subject plus verb plus complement. For example, we use I. For example, we are going to use first with a verb to be in a present. No, I am a teacher. Yes, that is in present. We are going to transform or to convert in past perfect. We use I was a teacher many years ago. Great. We use, for example, in present, she's a student. So that is in present. She is a student. But for example, you meet her with her 10 years, approximately in 10 years. You say she was a student in my class in the school at the school where I worked. Wait. Good. In a negative way, we use I wasn't a teacher. You say, for example, I wasn't a teacher. I was an engineer. Yep, an engineer. Good. Or she wasn't a student. No, teacher. She wasn't a student. She was a teacher. Okay? Good. In a yes or no question. Was she a student? Was she a student? Yes, she was a student. Or was he a student? No, he wasn't a student. He was a teacher. Yes? But we change here. He. Yes? But it's I. For example, was I a student? Was I a student? No, I was a teacher. Good. In WH question, where where was where was you? Where were you? Sorry. Where were you? Where were you? Yeah. Where were you? Hey, I was a teacher. Okay. I was at the school. Where were you? I was looking for you. Where were you? Um, I was at the school. Yes. For example, to continue this. What were you? What were you? Okay, I was a teacher. Okay, it is coherent. Yes, that is with the verb to be. Now, if we continue with the verbs, we're going to use with the explanation of this. We're going to something relevant. I need that you tell me or think about different verbs in present. Play, good, study, jump, read, good, go, do, write, good, and work. Now for this. What are the regular and irregular verbs? The regular verbs, they are the ones that finished in D, ed, or ied. For example, we use play and study. And study. Good. If we use this in past, this is in present, play. Hey, I play soccer. Go on! Yeah, something like that, yes. Play. In past, played. Yes? They finish in Y, both. Here. Okay, very good. I erase the Y and IEG. The question is, hey teacher, why in one I erase the Y and the other no? Yeah? Is something confused? Look for this. If before the Y there is a vowel, we don't omit the Y and we write ET. If before the Y it is a consonant, there is a consonant, we omit the Y and we write IET. Yes, for example, we have hurry, like hurry up. Okay, perfect. We erase a Y. Why, teacher? Because if you notice, before the Y there is a consonant. Good? But for example, another example, we have this. Say. Yep. But there is an irregular. Very good. Yes. What are the irregular? The regular changes on the complete verb. For example, we have write. Yes. For example, we have think. Yes. Or say. Yes. We have, for example, we have wrote, right? We have to say wrote. We have think. We change to thought. Good. You have say. We have said. Yes. Teacher, and the other ones? Yes, perfect. So we have play is played. Yes. Study, studied. The same case. If before the Y is a vowel, et. Consonant, iet. Good. Jumped. Read is an irregular verb. They change or are the same. Yes. Read is the same. Read, past, read, participle, read. Go, they are. It is an irregular because it changed to went. I go to the park. Okay. In past. Yesterday I went to the park. Two, like this. Did, very good. Right. Road. Sorry. Road. And work. That is irregular. Worked. The idea is that video is to remind something to be clear and to specify different topics of this. Yes, going the verbs, we are going to use them in an affirmative. I went to the park. Teacher, yesterday I went to the park. Yes. Today is what? Today is Saturday. Yesterday, Friday, I went to the park. Go? Yes. Third person, she. Another verb, she wrote a letter. Very good. Teacher, last weekend she wrote a letter. We don't have to conjugate because the conjugation is just for present. In past, we don't conjugate. She wrote a letter. In a negative way, the same like this. If we are going to use the auxiliary verb didn't. If we use did or did